Last week, I got a phone call from a client who'd got up in the morning to go and give her lawn the first cut of the season, and her petrol lawnmower had finally given up the ghost. It wouldn't start, and she needed a replacement. So, I thought that would be a great time to go out and test the all-new ANTHBOT M series robot lawnmower. This isn't a showroom lawn, it's a real garden. Corners, edges, old paths, even an overgrown hedge to mow under. Not to mention multiple holes in the grass where her dog had been digging. The weather was really bad, gale force winds, and you couldn't even see the sky for all the clouds. And even my camera tripod kept blowing over. So, could the ANTHBOT lawnmower deal with all of that? Let's find out. But first, let's get this mower quickly unboxed and see what's inside. It's all very well packaged, as you would probably expect. It's also very compact and surprisingly light, weighing in at less than 10 kilograms, and 9.7 according to my scales. And on the front, you can see 2 AI cameras, which it will use to avoid thousands of obstacles. Whilst underneath, you can see 5 cutting blades, and at the front, there are 2 caster wheels that will help it maneuver around and turn easily, even in really tight spaces. And also in the box, you'll find this charging station, and to the rear of this, there's 2 leads. One of these is for the power, and the other one is for the RTK antenna. You also get a really good quick guide showing you how to set it up, which is what we're going to be doing next. We're here now at my client's house, and the first thing I'm going to do is set up the RTK antenna, and this is what it uses to find out where the mower is in the garden using GPS. This model is the M9, which uses the RTK antenna, and it also uses the 2 AI cameras. But ANTHBOT also do an M5 LiDAR model, and that one uses 360-degree laser vision. But this M9 will mow up to 1,000 meters squared. Next, I'm going to download the app and pair it with the mower, and then we should be ready to go. Now it's all paired up and the setup is complete, and it's time to map this garden. The method I'm going to be using today is the manual mapping, which is essentially where you drive this mower manually around the area that you want it to mow, and that will complete the map. And as I mentioned earlier, using the RTK antenna and the Vision AI cameras on the front of this machine, there is no need to be wasting time installing boundary wires. Now this whole setup process took me about 10 minutes, and that included the firmware update on this machine, but that's now done, and it'll run a few little checks to make sure everything is all in order, and then we can get on with the mapping. Now, while I'm busy mapping, let's cover a few of the other really cool features about the M5. And the first of those would probably be the auto mapping feature, and that's where you would just drop this mower down on the lawn and it would map the garden by itself. It uses the AI cameras again and the RTK antenna. I'm not actually going to use it here in this garden. It's really intricate. There's loads of obstacles, twists and turns, trees growing out of the lawn, so I prefer to map it manually. But on a less complex lawn, I would just drop the mower down and let it do the work for me. Another really great feature is the on-edge mowing. This is where, using the app after I finish mapping the garden, I can get the mower to essentially traverse certain lawn edges. For example, where you have a lawn right up to a path and you want it to mow over the top to give you a nice crisp cut. So, now I've almost finished mapping this lawn, let's find out one of the most important things on how it can actually manage mowing. So now it's going to return to its charging station, and as soon as it does this, I can then click Start Mowing, and let's see what happens. And now we're going to see this in a time lapse, and we'll discuss what happens later on. Well, the mower has finished cutting the lawn. Now let's take a look to see how it did. It's a really nice cut considering the condition of this lawn. There's loads of weeds and some of these mossy patches are crazy, but the mower managed them really well. This is the first cut of the season, so I didn't have the blade set really low. It also dealt with some of these holes in the lawn great. It detected them and worked around them and continued to mow. A lot of robot mowers seem to get stuck with things like this, and they go into a little bit of a haywire. The obstacle avoidance was top notch as well. I couldn't get it to run over this tennis ball, no matter how hard I tried. And the fixed obstacles in the lawn, like this tree and the bird bath, were also detected and mowed around. The holes in the lawn I quickly sorted with filling them up with some soil, and then the mower had no problem mowing over the top of them. It's a pretty straightforward fix. So, all in all, I'm really impressed with the mower. It's light, it's very manoeuvrable, the weather didn't seem to cause it any issues at all, and it dealt with some of the longer grass quite easily. And now we'll move on to the app. The app lets you control virtually every aspect of the mow. You can even watch the mower's progress in real time, and it'll show you the details of the current job that it's doing, such as the size of the mowing area, the time it's actually been mowing, and also the current battery level. I really wish I'd have had more time today to explore this app, but the weather is expected to turn to heavy rain any minute now, and my phone's just given me a weather warning. But the sorts of things available to you in the app, for example, are setting the mowing schedule, managing the maps of your garden or gardens if you have multiple lawns. You can also set up different zones and manage them together or separately. It's up to you. You can even mow manually if the desire ever came to you. But that's about it for today's video. The weather is closing in right now. So if you'd like any more information about the ANTHBOT M series, please check out the links in the description. All the information you need will be available, or you can even fire away in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But for now, this is the ANTHBOT M series robot lawnmower.